All right, let's move on to partial cones. Like I said, with all these others, in order to do good partials, you need to do good fulls. So don't try to draw a partial, even though you think, oh, that's the shortcut way of doing it. They end up not looking quite right. So my suggestion is, now that you've had some practice drawing fulls, try drawing 5 fulls of different proportions, and we'll turn those into partials. You can keep the lines pretty light because we're going to erase a lot of these lines. And as you notice, I'm drawing, sometimes I draw the sides first, sometimes I draw the ellipse first. As long as these lines are even, halfway off the point here, should be in good shape. Okay, so if this is my cone shape to start, the simplest thing I could do is cut the point off of it, of course. And when I do that, I draw in another ellipse. That will be the new exposed area. I will shade it in. Remember, the new exposed area is now flat, so that will be shaded evenly. And this will be gradiated from dark to light going this way. Remember, it quickly goes from dark to light at the bottom and slowly goes from dark to light at the top. Of course, I can cut that off at an angle, and we get this effect. Again, you can shade these in. Erase this so make it look solid. All right. And that looks like maybe the top of a marker. Some markers are kind of that shape, or those pipettes that squirt out frosting and cake decorations. We don't see a lot of this partials, but we do tend to see them in this proportion, where we have the smaller circle on the bottom and the circle on the top on the cone shape. And these are, you see these in mugs, not mugs, but tumblers and stackable glasses, solo cups and Dixie cups and all those. Waste cans, big garbage cans, because when they sell them, they're all stackable. Of course, that's just simple to do by drawing an ellipse here, erasing the bottom. If I want to make it look like it's glass, you could probably, put another ellipse in here, have fun with that, and, shade it in. Make it look like it's got orange juice or something in there. Or you could make it solid and shade outside. Okay. A couple other ways of doing this. What if I only want halfway down? I draw a diagonal line like this. Draw straight lines, if I can draw straight lines down here, and I'm erasing just part of this. So I've cut off some of the top, but not the entire top. I'd shade this accordingly. I get a triangle here, a half of an ellipse here, and those are flat surfaces, which I would shade evenly. And then again, the gradated side here, I would shade like dark to light going across. And let's try one more tricky one here. Let's take off a middle section. And let's connect it with a cylinder, because we know how to do cylinders. So I'm going to put another ellipse inside that ellipse. And I'm going to have it go. I'm going to erase this part here to make it look like we don't see the exposed circle here. Ellipse inside ellipse, straight lines up to make a cylinder. Erase what's inside of it. And it makes it look like, I don't know, some type of castle or something. A lot of these look like buildings. Sometimes they look like kids' toys, like wooden blocks stacked up in things. Right. Have fun. If you have any questions, be sure and ask. Draw 5, shade 5.